Hey guys, I just picked up this new Fender Telecaster Stratocaster Tweed case. I've never actually bought a case online and received it in a box like this, so I thought I would put it on my channel. You know, something new. Basically, I had this Telecaster. It's an American Special. I've done an unboxing on this. I think I need to do a full video, but yeah, it needs a case because these American Specials only come with a gig bag, and that's too bad. Because anyway, so I also grabbed one of my Gmg cases to compare it with, actually, and because I want to see the quality differences between the two. So this is the Pro Series Fender case, and they're usually about, I think, $130, $140. I picked this up on eBay and actually purchased it through Musician's Friend, was the eBay seller. So they're selling for under $79, so it seemed like a remarkable deal. I don't think they were on sale or anything. That was just the price. Anyways, I also like to do these live unboxings for anything I buy online. In case there's damage or something, I have documentation. It's just kind of takes care of two issues at once. Now I want to be careful. Initially, the head of the tip of this knife went pretty deep, and I don't think there's much packaging around the actual case. But fortunately, yeah. Yep, I was right. It's just pretty much the case. I don't think I did any damage. I caught it before I even went through this flap, this side flap. Prevented any damage. Okay, so neat. So I guess, well, this is a packing slip from Musician's Friend on my eBay purchase. Now, I don't know if you guys know, but Musician's Friend is actually a sister company to Guitar Center. And if you look around on eBay enough, you'll see a Music 123. That's another sister reseller company. I think they specialize in the factory dent, like the factory returns and factory dent blemished items for Musician's Friend and Guitar Center, just the one-off stuff. Don't quote me on that. I've never heard that from, like, what that business is set up for, but I do know it's part of Guitar Center and Musician's Friend. Alright. Bag is completely enclosed. So I think Tweed is my new favorite case type. You know, for a long time I actually preferred the plastic molded cases to even these Fender types. I didn't really know I don't know, I didn't appreciate cases as much as I do today. For whatever reason, a nice case is like one of my favorite parts about a guitar these days. Anyways. So there's like a tag. It's neat. And on these Tweed cases, there isn't a Fender logo like you see here, which is unfortunate. I think they should put those, but I don't know. I don't think originally Fender added that to their Tweed cases. But it does have the Fender logo right here. Alright, cool. And this is where I want to do the comparison between the two cases so you all can see what the difference is. I'm trying to, okay, so this case is made in Vietnam. These Gmg cases are made in the USA. That's one obvious difference. Let's take a closer look. So on the Gmg cases, even the Tweed ones, it has the crushed like velvet type material, whereas this is just like a soft fuzzy case interior. And the Gmg cases always have these snaps, and then you have your case goodies in there, and it's got those little tabs. In this case, you have two little, let's see, they seem to be made out of suede. These ones are made out of like a leather. This one doesn't feel like leather at all. I'm not sure what it's made out of. But yeah, these feel like suede, so that's pretty nice. I think it's also nicer to have one big area like you get in the Gmgs than two small compartments. The case doesn't feel like cardboard or anything. It feels pretty, and actually it feels stiff. This isn't padded. This area is kind of padded, and this area for the guitars is kind of padded feeling, but these two are stiff to the touch. And this feels like it's got foam underneath it. Ooh, keys. Don't want to lose my keys. I don't want to use my keys either. I don't think anyone uses. It locks their guitar cases. Alright, cool. So, I mean, those are the main differences. This case is from 1998, and it's barely been used, so it's interesting. It feels kind of crunchy. I think underneath that is the foam is kind of deteriorating. Other than that, I think this is a pretty good quality case. I'd still prefer the Gmg case, but this is nice, and you can pick them up on eBay for under $80 shipped. It's actually an incredible bargain for a brand new case. All right, let's see how well the Stratocaster fits. And that's pretty much perfect. You couldn't ask for any better. It's hard to hold the camera and snap these shut. The mechanism, let's see. The mechanism feels not quite as good as the Gmg, but it's probably 80% as nice. Yeah, these latches aren't quite as nice, but I think a Tweed Gmg case can run as high as almost $300, so anyways, this is the Fender Pro Series Strat guitar case. Pretty cool. It's a great buy at $78.99 is what I think I paid. Pretty awesome. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and subscribe so you can see other videos like these ones.